Hi everyone, I'm back and guess what I'm making? Stuffed zucchini. I cut the ends off of these zucchini and I'm gonna cut them in threes. And then I'm gonna cut down the middle. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna parboil them. Maybe 3 minutes, 2-3 minutes. And when they're done parboiling, I will show you how I stuff them. First, of course, you got to make a stuffing. But these things are scrumptious. Is that a word? I don't think so.
Not really, no.
How about scrumptious? Okay, so when the water boils, I'm going to put a little salt in the water. I'm going to put these in. And I'm gonna parboil them. Don't make them too soft. They'll fall apart. Just like 2-3 minutes, that's it. I'll be back when they're done. Hi, so I have the zucchini cooling off. I left them in more like 7 minutes, 8 minutes. When the fork goes through the zucchini easily, then it's pretty much done. Not done, but done to where you're going to be able to use it for this dish. So I've chopped like 3 cloves of garlic and a few sprigs of parsley. And what I'm going to do here is take these 2 eggs, break it up in this dish. Now I don't really have a recipe of amounts. I just wing it. But I'm using 2 eggs now. And I'm going to add all my ingredients to the eggs. And then we're going to fry the zucchinis. I mean, isn't it frying, the best flavor for food? I mean, everything that's fried is so much better. Okay, so I've mixed the 2 eggs. I'm going to put in the parsley and garlic. Mix it up. This is a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, plain breadcrumbs. A cup of cheese and some salt. And mix it up. Now what we're going to do with the zucchini is we're going to take the middle out.
A little hot, huh?
It's a little hot, yeah.
Yeah, I can see the steam rising from
we're
here.
going to put it in here. It's a little hot, but my fingers are so used to the heat.
You burn them every day. Well, you humans at home, let it cool for 10-15 minutes.
Yes.
Hetty puts her hands in fire, thinks it's not hot.
Not really. Both my sons call this knife, what, the finger eliminator?
Yes.
All right. I'll come back when all of the zucchini is in. I've taken it all out. See? Nice little cavity for the stuffing. Okay, so the zucchini's in here, and I'm going to cut it up a little bit because the pieces are just too big. There we go. The finger eliminator does the job.
Of course it does.
How is everyone this week? It's a Tuesday. I can't have my wine, if you noticed. There's no wine on the counter.
Can't drink every day.
No, unfortunately.
You could, but it'd be a problem.
That's one of the reasons why I can't lose weight when I'm on a regular diet. Because I like to have my glass of wine. And on the weekends, I like to have a martini. I mean, am I abnormal? I could stop whenever I wanted to. but I don't really want to. Okay, so this is mixed up pretty well, I would say. And it's cooled off a bit after I burned my fingers.
I could still see smoke. So.
You can still see smoke?
Yeah.
No. All right.
Look at the smoke rising.
So it's a nice consistency. It's not too wet, not too dry. And what I'm gonna do is fill up these cavities. You could use a spoon, but nothing like the good old hands. It's terrific. I'll be back when they're all filled up. Okay, so the oil is hot, and I have my stuffed zucchini. By the way, this was 2 zucchinis, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each zucchini gets 6 if you get like a medium-sized zucchini. The small ones, of course, I wouldn't suggest using the small ones. That you can't get enough stuffing in there. So here we go. It's hot enough. Whoa! Look at that. I do that side down first. It sort of solidifies it. Sometimes the stuffing will fall out, but for the most part, they don't. These are really, really a delicious side dish. And I put a lot of stuffing in there. I like a lot of stuffing. And don't forget the zucchini's in there too. So you could cook them about, I don't know, 3 minutes on each side. So the stuffing cooks through. You'll get, well, you can see when they're brown. I'll be back when they're browned, and I'll estimate how many minutes. Okay, they should be brown. Oh, look at that. This has been cooking about 3 minutes on a medium-high flame. I like, you know, I'm always on the high flame, but look how nice they are. The stuffing stays inside the shell miraculously. I don't know how, but it does. And then you cook it another 3 minutes on the other side, so it cooks in the bottom. Wowee wow. Isn't that delicious looking?
Yummy.
He doesn't like zucchini. What vegetables do you like besides peas and salad and broccoli?
I don't like any vegetables.
I know, I noticed.
I force those down.
I know you do, but
Just
you
'cause
need
they're,
them.
yeah.
You absolutely have to have them.
Have to.
I know. Okay, I'll be back when they're done, and I will taste one for you. Okay, so they've been cooking for about 5 minutes. And they look yummy.
5 minutes total?
No, on one side, on the outside,
The bottom, she meant.
the bottom. Alrighty, I'm gonna take one and taste it.
Most of you will probably let it cool a few minutes, but Superwoman here with her.
I'm gonna blow on it. How's that? Like we used to do with the babies.
Mmm.
Yummy. Until next time, bon appetit. Hope you make these for Thanksgiving. They're really good.